We love Homes by Tabor.
Yay! Woo!
My name is Cade Pope,
And I'm Sue Pope.
and we live in Britton Farms.
My favorite part of the home buying journey was picking out all the little details of our house, from the paint to the floor. All those little fun details was really fun to pick out, and I really loved being able to customize it and make it more like us.
I feel like my favorite part was meeting with our Tabor rep. She was unbelievably helpful in helping us trying to figure out our floor plan and exactly where we wanted to live. She was just very great and answered all of our questions very quickly, and she was awesome. We also knew the kind of home we were going to get with Tabor. We knew that they were a very reputable builder, and we knew that some of Tabor over the other builders, it was definitely a little bit better in how they built all their products. And especially a brand new home definitely puts us at ease knowing that that house was just built and we feel comfortable moving into it.
My favorite thing about our house is our pink shutters and door. It makes me so happy every time I pull up. Everyone that comes to our house is like, I immediately knew it was your house because of the pink door and the pink shutters. And it's so cute and I love it so much. Yes, I would highly recommend Tabor Homes. They were just super helpful throughout the entire process. They were so friendly throughout every step of the process, from first looking to buying and actually filling out all the forms at the end. It's really scary whenever you're young and have never bought a house before, but they made it super simple and easy and fun for us. And I would definitely recommend to all my friends. You can make your house super cute. So
True.